curb rash sucks. This happened on day 1 and I was still getting used to how it handled, and yep, I caught the curb. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix those annoying wheel scratches on your Tesla step by step. Before you get started, here's what you're going to need for the job. Sandpaper in 3 grits, 220, 400, and 800. Blue masking tape. A deck of playing cards you don't mind ruining. A few pieces of scrap cardboard. A pair of gloves. A can of spray paint that will match your Tesla wheels. And a clear gloss spray paint to seal everything at the end. I'll drop links to all of these in the description below to make it easy, especially the different Tesla wheel colors and the spray paints that'll match them. If you got the standard Tesla wheels with the aero covers, you'll need to pop them off first. Just reach inside the spokes and squeeze the clips. You'll feel them give way. Once the clips are free, the whole cover pops off easily. Start by cleaning the wheels. Get rid of all the dirt and brake dust. No shortcuts. This helps everything stick better. Mask off the tire and anything nearby. You don't want to accidentally sand any part of the wheel that isn't damaged. Focus on the scratch itself. The goal here is to gradually smooth out the rough area until it feels even with the rest of the wheel. The sandpaper comes in different grits, which means how rough or fine it is. The lower numbers, like 220, are rough and remove material quickly. The higher numbers, 400 and 800, are smooth and used for refining the surface. If the scratch is shallow, start with 400 grit. If it's deeper, you'll need to begin with 220 to level it out. Then move to 400 to clean it up, and finally 800 to smooth and blend everything in. Think of it like stepping down from a coarse file to a soft polish. Feather the edges so the repair blends naturally into the surrounding area. It's going to look worse before it looks better, and you'll sand off some of the paint, and that's normal. What matters is getting the metal underneath smooth. These are aluminum wheels, so the metal is relatively soft and forgiving. Take your time here. It makes all the difference in the final result. Now blow off the dust and wipe it down with rubbing alcohol. A clean surface is important so the paint will stick. Now you can remove the blue masking tape on the tire and use your playing cards to mask off that area. It's important now before spraying that you do this on a calm day when there's no wind, so early morning or in the evening. You don't want this spray paint getting on your paint of your car. Shake your spray can for a full minute and test your color and spray pattern on cardboard. If everything looks good, then hit it with 3 to 4 light coats of paint. I can't stress this enough. Please go very light on the first few passes because you don't want any paint to drip and it will not look good. Wait 5 to 10 minutes between each coat. Finish it with 2 to 3 coats of clear gloss. This seals it in and keeps the shine. Now let it dry for an hour before touching it. And you'll want to give it a full 24 hours before washing the car again. Then you can forget it ever happened. Or at least you know how to fix it next time you swipe the curb. If this helped, hit like and subscribe, and I got more DIY fixes on the way.